YouTube, back with another video. So I got finally got a new mod for the STI. About to do a quick install, should be under 2 minutes. Easy money, carbon fiber trim piece, and let's get to it. So for this mod, it's gonna be pretty easy. All you need is a flathead, screwdriver, and some common sense. I think these are gonna look pretty fire. Alright, so we in the whip, as you see. And this is the piece that I'm gonna be replacing with carbon fiber. Dang, my car's dirty. Bruh. But, I don't know, it's been sitting for a little bit. Alright, so first, what you're gonna need to do is pry this panel off. I'm gonna use my flathead. Just pop it out. Be much easier if I had a freaking plastic panel remover, but I don't. But still get the job done. And then now what you want to do is fill in the back of this with your finger and pop this piece off. There you go. And then just pry it down the rest of the way carefully. And now that I got it pried off, just get the last bit off, and that's it. Grab your new piece. A little better, in my opinion, based off the mods I got coming next for the interior. Literally OEM. Pretty nice. So, what you want to do is grab your piece and reverse it back in. Match the tabs up. And just pop it back in place. Boom, boom. All right, finished with the passenger side. Now we just got the driver's side. Same thing. Gonna pop off this little panel right here. By prying it up and pushing the tabs out from inside. Here we go. All right. So I'm gonna carefully pry this back. I hate doing stuff like this. Money, easy money. All right, just like earlier, get back here, push it. Bruh. So, having trouble with this thing, can't get it off. So what I'm gonna try to do is take this whole piece off. So it's a little Phillips. And then hope that I can get it off easier. We're back in it, man. I gotta take this whole freaking panel off and get back here with the flathead and get the little pinches pinched in, tabs or whatever you call them. It was pretty hard, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why. Could be just mine, I don't know. But I finally got it to come off. And yeah, it was getting real, man. This little piece of tab. Been working on this for like probably 5 minutes. And I freaking cut myself. That's why I got gloves on. And I touched my freaking seats. I'm like, bruh, some blood got on it. Gosh, I didn't even driven with these in yet. Like, all bad. I'm over here messing up the interior. I haven't been driven in like 2 months. But yeah. Here's the new piece. Probably gonna put this back on. Gotta hit every tab. Make sure it's all in, or else the screw will line up. And now I just gotta screw it in. So you got the screw back in. Now I'm gonna put the panel back on too. It's pretty simple. Just line the tabs up, like putting the puzzle together. Match all the corners and tabs. Just push in. And we're good, baby. And last but not least, just popping the little carbon fiber trim on. And we'll be done. Like always, match the holes. And just push into place.
Nice.
And that's it. Easy money. Here's the aftermath. Things gonna go pretty good with the rest of the interior mods I have coming. Really like how subtle it is. You know, it's not too boom in your face. It's a nice little subtle change. I mean, I've done little small things here and there. I'm trying to keep it original, but with a little spice to it, you know what I mean? I know I probably could have just wrapped it, I guess, or put a sticker on it, but I just didn't like how it looked. So I knew that there is something I could replace the whole piece with, and that's what I did. So far the interior is coming together really well. Got my little bucket seats. Man, I don't really have much in here now that I think about it. I'm trying to keep it as OG as I can, so getting there little by little. I'm about to do a walk around in my car. Maybe the next video. Got a lot of mods coming for this thing. Pretty excited. And that's it for this video. Quick little 2-minute install. It should go pretty well with the next part I got coming in the mail. These came in first, so obviously I just threw them in. Couldn't wait. The next ones, ooh, it's gonna pop. So I'm pretty excited about that. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching.